What is One Nation, One Fertilizer scheme? The One Nation, One Fertilizer scheme was launched recently by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Key facts. The One Nation, One Fertilizer scheme or Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana was launched by the central government. This is the largest fertilizer initiative implemented by the Indian government till date. The scheme seeks to standardize fertilizer brands across India regardless of the company that manufactures them. It aims to remove all confusions related to the quality of fertilizers and their availability. This creates misconception on fertilizers, forcing farmers to costlier alternatives. The new scheme is expected to minimize the cost of fertilizers and increase their availability in the market. This increases the prices of the fertilizers significantly. Earlier, retailers were pushing the sale of certain brands to get higher commission, and manufacturers are promoting their own products through targeted advertisement campaign. Under the scheme, all types of fertilizers, whether urea, DAP or NPK, will be sold under the single brand name, Bharat. The new scheme is expected to minimize the cost of fertilizers and increase their availability in the market. Creation of a single brand for all fertilizers will reduce the cross-country movement of fertilizers, resulting in large freight subsidies. It will unify the fertilizer brands across India. It will bring down competition between different manufacturers, and ensure sufficient supply of fertilizers is available across India. They will be permitted to advertise their brand, name, logo and other related information about the product on 1/3 of their bags. Under the new rule, the fertilizer manufacturers are mandated to promote their product under the brand name Bharat. The remaining 2/3 of the bag's space will display the Bharat brand and Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana logo. For all fertilizer companies, state trading entities, STEs, and fertilizer marketing entities, FMEs, the brand name for urea, diammonium phosphate, DAP, muriate of potash, MOP, and nitrogen phosphorus potassium, NPK, and others, will be Bharat Urea, Bharat DAP, Bharat MOP, Bharat NPK etc.